Truly, she is an answered prayer. And we thank the Lord for His protection from day one up to now that Anael is turning 5 months old.
But my heart beat in my chest, get closer every step.
Mga kapatid, tayo ay nagagalak na magkatipon-tipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa sanggol na magiging kaanib ng ating sambayanang Kristiyano.
We'll find our way back home. Somewhere out there, keep searching everywhere, 'cause nothing could ever be better to find our way back home.
Eva Anael, binibinyagan kita sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Searching for that meaning, but it keeps fading out of sight. It's like a dream that's stalling, and I just hope it comes to life. But my heart beat in my chest, get closer every step.
May I call on the AA family and the celebrant baby Eva Anael Aquino Anoo.
Way back home. Somewhere out there, keep searching everywhere, 'cause nothing could ever be better to find our way back home.
Happy christening day to our dearest Anael. So we promise to always be here for you as you bloom and grow. We will love you, help guide you, encourage you, and listen to you. We pray you always feel God's love shining down on you. You are so loved, Anael, so much more than you can possibly know. Lagi siyang tulog or lagi ko siyang napapatulog. So I think what we share in common is our love for sleep. I hope that you will make most of life, enjoy it, celebrate it as you grow beautiful and loving.
Somewhere out there, keep
As for our wish to Anael, may she always live by the name that we gave her. Eva means life and lively, and Anael means God has favored me. We pray that she may live her life inculcating the values of a true Christian. We love you so much, our dear Anael.
to find our way back home.